Make the ground shake.
Welcome back, visitor. Today, we are going to learn about types of pronouns. Many words can act as pronouns, but they have different kind of meanings. We can therefore divide pronouns into 7 groups as follows. Number 1, personal pronouns. Personal pronouns are pronouns which stands for the 3 persons and help us to identify the speaker. They can be divided into 3 groups. Number 1, first person, the person speaking. Number 2, second person, the person spoken to. Number 3, third person, the person or thing spoken about. We shall discuss it more at the next class. Number 2, reflexive pronouns. Reflexive pronouns point back to the doer. They end with self or selves. Number 3, possessive pronouns. Possessive pronouns express ownership. Number 4, interrogative pronouns. Interrogative pronouns are used to ask questions. Number 5, reciprocal pronouns. Reciprocal pronouns are used to express a two-way relationship. Number 6, demonstrative pronouns. Demonstrative pronouns point out persons and things. They also express a contrast between near and distant things. Number 7, relative pronouns. Relative pronouns are used to connect 2 sentences, and they normally point back to the subject. Dear visitor, don't miss the next class. We shall continue discussing about each type of pronoun. Thank you.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like the video. And don't forget to subscribe.